Hi everyone, welcome to Ẹ̀kọ́ Èdè Yorùbá TV.
A ṣì wà lórí syllable Yorùbá. Mo fẹ́ tú láti ìbẹ̀rẹ̀. Ọ̀rọ̀ onísílébù kan. Ọ̀rọ̀ onísílébù kan. Mo fẹ́ tú kí n lè kọ èdè so that I'll be able to write the English, the meaning in the front. For example, I said unirate the other time. I said go, lọ. So I still want to put more. Ọ̀rọ̀ onísílébù kan jẹ, mu, jẹ eat, mu drink, take gbà, take. If you can see, you see that we take it out of the alphabet. Inú lẹ́tà alífábẹ́ẹ̀tì yẹn láti mú. Ṣùgbọ́n tí a bá sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ onísílébù kan, when we talk about the syllable kan, which is first syllable, òun ni wípé jẹ, tá a sọ wípé jẹ plus G plus jẹ, you can see. Mu, mi plus mu, that is drink, mu. You combine the consonant letter with the vowel letter. You can take your book, you write down some consonants, then you write plus, which is hard, with one vowel, the one I did now. Mo, gba. If you could remember that I said gbi the other time, gbi, which is b plus a, gba, gba, gba. So these are the ọ̀rọ̀ onísílébù kan. Ìkejì, ọ̀rọ̀ onísílébù méjì. Ọ̀rọ̀ onísílébù méjì. Ìyẹn ni pé I've told you, you take one ọ̀rọ̀ onísílébù kan. The example of this one, ọ̀rọ̀ onísílébù kan, ọ̀rọ̀ onísílébù kan. Like ba, you repeat it, you can repeat it twice. You can take any ọ̀rọ̀ onísílébù kan, one syllable, you join it with, you add it with it. This is it. Ba. I want to write another one, ta. If you could remember, I said in ta, te, ti, to, tu. Ta, this is that ta. Ba, be, bi, bo, bu. This is that ba. So you now join the two together. Ba, ta. Ba, ta. What is bata? Shoe. Ba, ta. Ba-ta. Now, we also have single letters in one syllable. Nínú ọ̀rọ̀ onísílébù kan, a ní onílẹ́tà kan. I want to write A. You could remember that we are not going to put anything at the bottom. A plus P-O. Epo, which is oil. Epo. Like this one now, I said consonant plus vowel. So this one now will be consonant plus F plus consonant plus F, and it can also be consonant kan tó be vowel plus consonant and vowel. It can be one, is either one of the two. Like this one, an example now. This is phi vowel. I told you that phi represents vowel, while the k represent the consonant, and the consonant is consonanti. Vowel is Faweli. Now, this is it. I've told you, I've made some example about Oro Onisilebu Meji, the two syllable. So we are going for syllable meta now. That is why I take it from Oro Onisilebu kan, Oro Onisilebu Meji. Now this one will now be Oro. I'm coming. Sorry, let me write it up. Oro Onisilebu mẹ́ta.